Hi John, name's Andy. I spoke to you last night about those brackets that you're going to cut for me on your CNC. Just thought I'd send you a little video of our shop. As you're so kind enough, you show everyone your shop. I thought it'd be time I shared a bit of my shop with you. So I just grab you off there. Here's our lathe, Colchester Master 2500, 40-inch bed, gap bed lathe. Just got the ER40 collet chuck in there at the minute, making some height adjusters for the tool holders that we made. There's an example there, that's the originals. We made 10 of them so far, but as you can see I need to get that lathe tool storage sorted out. I like that idea that you come up with a couple of weeks back, so we're going to try that. We recently fitted this DRO from Machine DRO. It's a Newell NMS 300. Very impressed with that. Really like the scales. Cylindrical scales, as you can see down there. A little bit more playing about cable routing and things like that to get it right. But that's one of ours. I'll go over to the Bridgeport mill. That's my baby. This is my favourite tool in the shop. This really nice bit of kit. Power feed as well. This again is DRO'd up as well. There's surface plate here as well, John. Let's get some of that off of there. Might have a word with your mate Bob actually and see if he can regrind it for me. I know it's been hand shaped. So, the press, 30-ton press. Real cheap eBay special that. All the lathe tooling and everything up there. Got Arctic plasma cutter as well. Oxford MIG welder. She's the 410. A beast of a thing that is. We've got the selector grinder, 8-inch. Real nice bit of kit that. Don't make them like that anymore. What else can I show you? Oh, there's the MIG. She's the 410, single phase. Plasma cutter as well. And the Clarkson tool post grinder. Mark II, magnetic chuck. All the toys in there as well. Rolled in the end mills. Oh, that's an 18-inch clutch I've got out of my lorry at the minute. As you can see, look at that bastard. That is absolutely shagged. Water's been sat in there. Yeah, it's out of a ERF LV 1973. There she is, 8-legger. She's an 8x4, she's the double drive. But yeah, we got the gearbox out of her at the minute, as you can see. A 6-cylinder Gardner in there. All starts, runs and fine. Drives fine. I've just got to build myself a beaver tail flatbed for it, so I can take my vintage tractors about. As you can see, we've got one or two. All Fordsons and Fergusons. And this is just a few. We've got a load more down in the other yard. 6-cylinder Major there. I built that myself. You'll see the turbo on the side of that thing. The only thing I didn't make was the bonnet. That's got a whole set HX35 turbo on that. That's chrome stack. At 11 psi boost, just on its own up the road is not bad. Original powered steering kit. All the sump's been done so the A-frame's the right way round. It's all fully bolted. We've got here a 1964 roadless Super Major, fully rebuilt front axle and that. That was a pig of a job. All new studs, bearings, everything, all made in the shop. Obviously, apart from the bearings. Another 6-cylinder major there. It's got the later 270 engine in that pumps up on the timing case. Really original Fordson Power Major, 1958. Everything works on that, even still charges everything. And then dead one there. A roadless Ploughmaster, 75. So yeah, that's us, John. So anyway, I look forward to hearing from you, mate, and all the best.